Welcome to another video, the second video in my updated how to ride a motorcycle series. Okay, we are going to be going over turning. How do you turn and steer a motorcycle? Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, here we are on the bike. All right, so first I want to go over the two primary ways to steer this motorcycle here. All right, first we're going to talk about low speed maneuvers. When I say low speed maneuvers, I'm talking about up to 8 miles an hour. Okay, for low speed maneuvers, low speed turning or steering, all you have to do is literally turn the handlebar in the direction that you want to go. All right, I'm turning it this way, I'm going to go right. I'm gonna turn it this way, I'm gonna go left. You literally just have to point the handlebars or the wheel in the direction that you want to go. This is how you steer at low speed, up to about 8 miles an hour. Okay, higher speeds, okay, high speed turning, high speed steering. For motorcycles, you have to initiate the counterbalancing aspect of motorcycles. Okay, essentially this is, you have to lean the bike over. You know, no more turning. All right, you have to lean the bike over on the corresponding tire patch in order to go in that direction. If you lean the bike over this way, I'm gonna go right. Okay, lean the bike over this way, I'm gonna go left. All right, this is how motorcycles work. It's called counter steering, right? Counterbalancing, similar terms, right? You have to lean it over on the corresponding tire patch, right? And so in order to achieve this, you have to push. Man, people say you push down, you press down, or you can either pull on the opposite end. Okay, let me go into a little bit more detail. Okay, in order to initiate counter steering at a higher speed, you have to push down. Okay, like when I was pushing down with just my weight right here, but in order to initiate it, when you actually, for the best efficiency, right, you press down. I am pressing or pushing down on this handlebar. That's how you do it when you're actually out there on the road. Okay, you grab this, all right, and you press down, you push down. Okay, the other third way, well, pushing and pressing is the same thing, right, in a way, right? But you can alternatively, you can pull up on the opposite handlebar. Okay, so if I want to go right, push or press, it'll lean the bike over, but I can also kind of lift up over here and it'll have the same effect, right? I can pull up on this and it'll lean the bike over that way. But I do recommend just go primary, just push down, you know, just push or press down on this handlebar in order to initiate that lean. All right, that is my recommendation. Okay, so that is the two primary types of way to steer a motorcycle, both at low speed and high speed. All right, so now it is time to get into demonstrations. Okay, first we're going to start off with low speed maneuvers. First gear, 5 miles an hour, right? All you have to do is turn the handlebar. So just look at my handlebar. I'm turning the handlebar, give it some gas, do a little figure 8 right here. Low speed, turn the handlebars. I'm just turning it and it's fully locked out right now. I'm just turning the handlebar. All right, let's say I want to do another roundabout here. Lock it out, turn this handlebar, give it a little bit of gas. It's locked out. So as you can tell, low speed, like I said, up to 8 miles an hour, all you have to do is turn it, turn the handlebar, and there you go. All right, turn, 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 turn. I'll be able to get a little gas. Turn, turn, turn. I mean, and this is you know, if you have cones, you can practice this all day long, boy. This will make you real good at them low speed maneuvers. Get them cones up, start weaving in them cones for the low speed. But that is turning low speed. Okay, And so now to transition to leaning, we're in a little parking lot, so we're gonna have to be a little bit more careful, but let's pick it up a little bit. I'm gonna go here. I'm leaning down. As you can tell, I'm really not kind of turning the handlebar. Look at that. I'm pushing down on that handlebar right now. As you can tell, it's not the same handlebar movement that I was just demonstrating, okay? Higher speed, leaning this bike over. Leaning. When to take this turn, take the outside, I'm pushing or pressing down right now, okay? Let's try a little roundabout at a higher speed here. We're going to take the outside. We're going to come in and pressing. I am pressing down, all right? Pressing down or pushing down on that left handlebar. All right, let's pick up a little bit more speed, okay? Slowing down here, pressing down. Pressing down. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a whole different variant of turning. Pressing down, it's initiating that lean angle, is bringing me over to the right side of that tire in that instance. All right, right side of the patch right now, leaning, the bike's just leaning over. I don't know the number of degrees, but as you can tell, that thing is leaning over. It's no longer, you know, turning. All right, once again, left, push left to go left, push right to go right, push left to go left, push down left to go left, okay? And so, ladies and gentlemen, that is the general principle for turning. Once again, to recap for the 50th millionth time, low speed maneuvers up to 8 miles an hour, you know, just turn that thing, all right? Get real good at it. Like I said, just like I just said, you know, you get the cones out, and it's really important to get good, especially at those low speed maneuvers, because you might find yourself in a, really it's good to be great at both of them, but low speed maneuvers and high speed maneuvers, low speed specifically because they can get you out of some pretty tough situations fairly quickly, you know what I'm saying, especially in traffic or stoplight traffic and stuff like that. So very important to get a good grasp on both of these. And obviously at highway speeds, going a lot faster, you need to be on point, on par with your steering at those types of speeds as well. But once again, you know, left, you know, go left, right to go right, low speed, high speed, you know what I'm saying, pushing or pressing down, initiate that lean angle on the tire patch, and you will go in that direction, okay? All right, alternatively, you can pull up on the other opposite side. I want to go right and go left, yeah, do the same thing, but I just recommend just starting with push and pull, just so you can get the hang of that first. All right, and you should be good to go. But appreciate y'all for tuning into the video. Hope I helped out a little bit. I'll see y'all soon.